Hi everyone, it's Emma Lu, and today I want to tell you how to identify the 3 different arthropod classes by just looking at their antennae. So to begin, let's talk briefly about what an antennae is. The antennae, which is the plural form of antenna that I'll be referring to for the rest of the video, is not the thing here, although it shares the same name. The antennae that I'm talking about is the one right here, the one on the moth that we see. The definition of the antennae is a paired appendage used for sensing in arthropods. Also here, appendage actually refers to the external body part that's actually protruding out of an organism. So now that we're on the same page, we'll take a look at the 3 major groups of arthropods. These are the crustaceans, the arachnids, and the insects. Starting with the crustaceans, they do have antennae. In fact, they have 2 pairs. Note that I said pairs. This means that the crustaceans actually have 4 antennae in total. Then we have the arachnids, which actually have no antennae. And lastly, we have insects, which have antennae and only have 1 pair of it. So that means they have 2 antennae in total. So let's take a closer look at each by looking at each example. So I've changed all the photos into detailed diagrams of each example. Starting with the crustaceans, we have the lobster, which has 2 very distinct and long antennas. So that's its 1 pair of antennae, and its other pair of antennae is the smaller ones that are actually referred to as antennae. Then we have the arachnids, which are represented by this spider here, and we can see that it has no antenna. And then we have the insect group, which has 1 pair of antennae, and is represented by this example of a wasp, which have 2 antennas, and thus 1 pair of antennae. So really, to identify the different groups of arthropods, we can actually only look at the antennae to find out.